Welcome back everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to share a YouTube video with sound on Zoom. This is perfect when you want to show a video during a meeting or presentation and make sure everyone can hear the audio clearly. Let's jump right in. First, open your Zoom app and log in using your credentials. Make sure you're signed into the account you'll be using for your meeting. Once you're logged in, you'll see your Zoom home screen where you can join or start meetings. Next, join a meeting. You can either start your own meeting or join one that's already in progress. Once you're in the meeting, look for the share button at the bottom of your Zoom window. This green button is your gateway to sharing content with other participants, so go ahead and click on it. When you click share, a window will pop up showing you different options for what you can share. Here's where the important part comes in. Select the screen you want to share from the available options. This could be your entire desktop or a specific application window. Now, before you hit share, look over to the right panel of this window. You'll see two checkboxes that are crucial for sharing video with sound. First, check the box beside Share Sound. This ensures that any audio playing on your computer will be transmitted to meeting participants. Right below that, check the box beside Optimize for video sharing. This option improves the quality of video playback by prioritizing smooth frame rates over static image quality. Once both boxes are checked, click the blue share button at the bottom right. Your screen is now being shared with everyone in the meeting. Now it's time to play your YouTube video. Open your web browser and navigate to youtube.com. In the search bar, type in the video you're looking for or paste the URL if you already have it. Once you've found your desired video, click on it to open the video page. Before playing the full video, click play briefly just to load the video and make sure everything is working properly. While you're at it, check that your device's volume is turned up. You want to ensure the sound is loud enough for participants to hear clearly through Zoom. It's a good idea to glance at the Zoom chat or ask participants if they can hear the audio. If anyone reports issues, you can adjust either the YouTube video's volume slider or your device's system volume until everyone confirms they can hear it well. When you're finished showing the video, it's time to stop sharing. Look at the top of your screen where you'll see Zoom's toolbar. Click the Stop Share button to end the screen sharing session and return to your normal meeting view. And that's it. You've successfully shared a YouTube video with sound on Zoom, allowing everyone in your meeting to watch and hear the content together. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.